Hey, so, I've been hearing of people having problems with their Xbox 360 not turning on, and I was like, not my problem. How does that affect me? And then, let me see. I woke up this morning, did some, daily chores, came into my room, sat down, went to sync my controller to the Xbox, turn it on, and it wouldn't connect. And I looked at the Xbox, and that light was not flashing. And that light only flashes when it's turned on. Now, I know what you're saying. Well, if it didn't turn on, how is it working now? Well, I went on YouTube, and I found this little kid who showed something that is just kind of unique. I don't know how exactly it works, but hey, it worked. I mean, my Xbox is still going, and I didn't have to pay another $150 for another one, so I'll show you how he did it if you guys haven't seen that video. So basically, just turn the Xbox around. I think I just broke something, don't really know. So, hang on, where's my light? I'm gonna have to get a light. Where am I? Yeah, I'm just turning my... Okay, so, if you see the power button, power this thing, see this? Just unplug that, and then unplug your HDMI. So that their TV HDMI cord, unplug that, go down here, pop this off, just pop that off, and basically, believe it or not, that's all. That's like all you gotta do. Then you just plug everything back in. I think it's like a system reset kind of thing. Plug everything back in. Plug this brick back in. Oh yeah, by the way, if your brick, this will most likely work if that dot is yellow or green. If it's red, then you're gonna need a new brick. Just putting that out there in case this doesn't work and it's red. Okay, so blah blah blah. I'll fix that later. Yeah, it works now. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.